It's time to talk about the GASB. This seaweed that has been taking over beaches in the Caribbean for over 10 years now all comes from one gigantic patch in the middle of the Atlantic Ocean. A patch of seaweed that is so gigantic, it can be seen from space. And what's even more incredible about the Great Atlantic Sargassum Belt, or the GASB, is that scientists couldn't even agree on what caused it until now. To help us frame what likely occurred, I first want to talk about El Nino and La Nina. El Nino and La Nina are internal climate oscillations. They are multi-year periods of variation within our climate that occur regardless of human activity. Researchers have found that another type of internal climate variability, this one in the Atlantic, could have helped trigger the gigantic sargassum blues in the tropical Atlantic Ocean. Scientists found that a couple years of a really strong North Atlantic oscillation caused surface currents to increase and push sargassum from what was traditionally their environment closer to the tropics. This sargassum was transported to regions of upwelling where it was supplied a huge amount of nutrients. And just like any other plant on Earth, if you have enough nutrients and you have enough sunlight, you'll grow. Now, what makes sargassum unique compared to other seaweeds is that it floats. It doesn't need to be attached to the seafloor. So whereas other seaweeds will eventually have to stop growing because they can't reach the bottom, sargassum can essentially grow across the Atlantic Ocean. And in the last 10 years, it creates a belt of seaweed so large it is literally detectable from space. For those that haven't seen it with their own eyes, I can assure you it is a ridiculous amount of seaweed. No one can say for certain how long this will last or if this could be reversed. The sargassum might be here for good. What is certain is that the ocean is always changing. Sometimes it's internal variability, sometimes it's us humans, but we need science to help to decipher which is which. It's looking like we might need to give Mama Osh the credit for this one.